नमो तस्स भगवतो वरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स. Namo Buddhaya to all respected, kind heart, Dhamma Upasak, Dhamma Upasika, and great kind heart Dhamma friend. Welcome to United Buddhist World India YouTube channel and join everyone. Yani the Bhutani Samagataani भूम्मानीव यानीव अंतलिखे सब्बैव भूता सुमना भवन्तु यथोपि सक्कञ्च सुनन्तु भासितं तस्माहि भूता निसामेत सब्बे मेत्तं करोथ भानुषीया पजाय दिवाच रत्तु च हरन्ति ये बलिं तस्माहीने रखंत appamatta. Dear Upasak, when you recite these gathas with pure pronunciation, it creates a peaceful vibration. The message of loving kindness in a Ratana Sutta touches the height of the people. By explaining the meaning of these gathas, Upasak feel more connected to Dhamma. It gives them mental peace and a sense of protection, which makes them follow the path of Buddha more faithfully and listen Ratana Sutta. Dhamma is not just a religion, it is a way of life. It teaches us how to live with peace, wisdom, and compassion. The Buddha said that Dhamma is like a boat to cross the river of suffering. When we follow Dhamma, we purify our mind and soul. Dhamma gives us strength to face the challenges of life through meditation and right thinking. We can achieve in peace Ratana Sutta, which we recite today, protects us from all evils and spreads living kindness to everyone. So, let us practice Dhamma every day for a happy and peaceful world. In today's world, everywhere we see violence and hatred. Nations are fighting with each other and people are living in fear. That's why we say we don't want war, we want the Buddha. Wants and greed are the causes of war. But Lord Buddha teaches us contentment. Weapon can destroy, but Dhamma can heal. The Buddha's message of non-violence and compassion is the only solution to global problems. If we want a peaceful future for our children, we must follow the path of Dhamma. Let us spread Dhamma, not weapons. Today we are here to connect with the supreme wisdom of Tathagata Buddha. He is the light of the world and his Dhamma is the only path that brings to tranquility to our minds. The Dhamma is not only a teaching but a science of living with Karuna and Panya. Our mission through United Buddhist World YouTube channel is a to bring all Dhamma followers together. We want to spread the message of Buddha Shashana TV India to every corner of the globe so that mental health, awareness, and inner peace can reach everyone. Let us walk together on this holy journey. I invite to all to listen to this Dhammadesna with full faith and devotion. May the blessing of the three jewels be with you always. Today we are gathered here to discuss the unmatched wisdom of Lord Buddha. The Buddha is not just a name, he is the symbol of enlightenment and supreme peace. His Dhamma is not just a religion, but a perfect way, light that leads us from darkness to light. The Dhamma teaches us the value of Karuna, Panya, and Sila. It is the only path that can heal the world and bring truth to our souls. When we follow the Dhamma, we don't just change our lives, we change the world. Through Buddha Shashana TV India, our goal is to unite everyone under the shade of Dhamma. Let us listen to the Dhammadeshna with a pure heart and a calm mind. Now let us begin our journey on the great Dhamma path. I invite you all to join me in this holy chanting and meditation for peace. Today we listen the Ratana Sutta. Whatever being and assembled here, whether of the earth of the air, may all being be happy. Listen carefully to the words spoken. Therefore, obeying, pay attention, show loving kindness to humans who day and night bring to offering, protect them diligently. Whatever treasure there is here or in the world beyond, or whatever precious jewel is in the Bhavans, none is equal to the Tathagata, the Buddha. In the Buddha is this precious jewel. By this truth, may there be happiness. The Shakyates realized the destruction of passions, the detachment, the smartal and excellent. There is nothing equal to that Dhamma. In the Dhamma is this precious jewel. By this truth may there be happiness. The concentration which the Buddha praised and called immediate. No concentration is equal to that. The hurt persons present by the wise. These disciples of the Buddha are worthy of gifts. Gifts given to them yield great fruit. In the Sangha is his precious veil. By this truth, may there be happiness. Those who with a steadfast mind are well applied in the teaching of Gautama. Free from desire, they have reached the goal. They enjoy the peace of Nibbana. Life a pillar firmly fixed in the ground, which the winds from for quarters cannot shake. Those who clearly understand the noble truths taught by the Buddha of profound wisdom, even if they are greatly negligent, they will not take a eighth birth. Along with the achievement of insight, three things are abandoned self-illusion, doubt at the practice of wrongs rights. Even if he is a wrong did by body, speech for mind, he is incapable of concealing it. This incapability is said to be on one who has seen the path. Like a forest, grow in the first month of a summer with blossoming tops. The excellent one, the knower of the excellent, the grooves of the excellent, has taught this superb Dhamma. The old is destroyed, no new is taking birth. They whose minds are discharged from future, rebirth whose seeds of existence and destroyed, those wise in go out, just like this lamb. Whatever being are assembled here, let us salute the Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Sangha, who are worshipped by devas and humans. May there be safety and happiness. Dear friends, the message of Ratan Sutta is a message of great protection and unshakable truth. It teaches us that nothing in this world is more precious than the Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Sangha. By understanding this noble truth, we can overcome all fears and dangers in our life. Our channel, United Buddhist World YouTube channel, and Buddha Shasana TV India is working hard to bring this ancient wisdom to the modern world. Through Buddha Shasana TV India, we want to unite everyone with the power of Dhammadeshna and meditation for peace. May the message of the Dhamma spread to every home and every heart. Let us walk together on the path on inner peace and mental health awareness. May all beings be happy. May all beings be safe. Thank you for joining us today. Stay connected with the great Dhamma path for spiritual guidance. Stay connected with United Buddhist World India